Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today is Blitz Your Kitz 2023, a collaboration where we focus on using up a kit in our stash. This is the even month, which means we are sharing the projects we made with the kit that we shared last month. This is a hashtag collaboration, so be sure to check out the other collaborators by clicking on the hashtag in the title or description of this video, and here we go. Okay, so here is what is left of my kit for this month. I have a few little pieces of scraps. These will go in my scrap bin. Maybe they'll make me into a card base. Who knows? And I had one sticker left that says sweet thing. That'll go in my die cut sticker binder. Okay, so what did I make? I made a card using the card base that came with the kit, and these were leftover scraps. I pulled these other pieces from my stash to complete the card, so I cheated a little bit. I also made a couple base pages. I made a quilt pattern out of the Lawn Fawn paper, pulled some purple cardstock from my stash to tie it all together. I did add a spot for a photo. I don't always do that, but in this case, I think that I probably would only add one photo just to preserve the background because I like how that turned out. So that is that base page. And then I did a 2-page one out of the others, although in theory I could split these apart. So they are intended to go together. It does say hello and then fall. And on this side here, it does say a little me time, which I don't know if it will fit whatever I end up adding as photos on this page. And so if the time comes, I can always add another label or something over top of this to mask this, or add another sticker or something. So I'm not too worried about that. Most of the embellishments came from the kit. The 2 tags were in there, the hello, the crepe paper leaves, the sticker, this sticker, and that. What I added from my stash were the wood buttons and the enamel dots, and I think that was pretty much it. I like how this one turned out. And then the last thing I created was a little fall home decor piece, although because of the colors it could go any which way. I had found this MDF owl at Dollar Tree, and it was just plain wood veneer, and then I used the pattern paper to cover him. Basically, I was inspired by the scalloped paper that was in the kit. I thought that would make a great tummy of feathers for the owl, and I did some shading with some colored pencils. I really like how that turned out. Added a little bit of glossy accents on the eye. This is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet, and I think he's kind of cute. So now I just have to find a home for it in my space. So that is it for this month's Blitz Your Kitz. I hope you are inspired, and until next time, happy crafting.